Gloria in excelsis. The Anglican Diocese of Ijebu Southwest is here again with another captivating, spirit-lifting and impacting message for everyone around the world in this year Synod 2022, which is the third session of the first Synod. The theme is Lift Up Your Eyes from John chapter 4 verse 35. The Synod will commence from 5th to 8th of May 2022. The Synod program is as follows. On the 5th of May, which is the first day of the Synod, is the Synod opening service. On the 6th of May, which is the official opening of the Synod, the Lord Bishop, the Right Reverend Dr. Babatunde F.R. Ogunbanwo, will be delivering the Bishop's Charge, and it is immediately followed by the launching of the Bishop's Charge at 11 a.m. On the 7th of May, there will be plenary session and Synod lecture at 8 a.m. On the last day of the Synod, 8th May, there will be investiture of the distinguished fellows of the diocese and Thanksgiving service at 10 a.m. The venue of this year's Synod is St. Barnabas Anglican Church, Okwawa. Our host for this year's Synod is Justice Jumoke Pedro, the Chancellor of the Diocese. You can also support this year's Synod by sending your donation to the Diocese of Ijebu Southwest Project Guarantee Trust Bank account with the account number 00500432225. Lift up your hearts and see God working it all out for you. You shall laugh at last. Announcer, the Diocese of Ijebu Southwest Media Unit.